Hi guys, I'm Esther from DenofSixDesigns. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for your support and your encouragement with my announcement and my first video with YouTube. I truly appreciate it. I know that this is a team effort, me and you, and so thank you for being a part of the team. This video that I'm doing today is a two-part series. The first part being the application of full cover tips. I've tried 3 different brands, Ugly Duckling, Wildflowers, and Nail Couture. And I personally have not found a difference in any of the brands, sizing-wise, quality-wise, shape-wise. So I have a lot of tips. I'm not partial to forms or tips. I know that both have their benefits, pros and cons, and so I just use whatever I'm feeling like using. Today, it was full cover tips. So let's get into the video. So I'm using Nail Couture's oval shaped full cover tips, and excuse the dirt under my nails. I'm in the middle of gardening, and so dirt just seems to be a part of my life right now. I'm applying Ugly Duckling Prep and Primer. And this primer does not need to be cured. I seen somewhere, and I can't remember who, so I can't give credit to that person, but they just, instead of etching the tip, they just put primer on it, and so that's what I've started doing as well. I'm using Wildflower's base coat, applying it to the natural nail and also to the tip. Because my natural nail is so curved, I pinch the tip just so that it's more rounded and it fits my nail better. I'm placing it on the nail, making sure there are no air bubbles, and then I flash cure. I recruited my 12-year-old son to help me. After flash curing, I place it into the bigger lamp for a full cure. All right, now for the pinky. To prepare the nail for color, I use a medium mandrel to blend the tip into the natural nail as best as possible. Once I've blended all the cuticles, I then go and etch each tip. So I'm just going in and perfecting the tips. Just sometimes the shape can be a little bit off, doesn't sit quite right on the nail, and so I just go in with the file and perfect the shape. Alright, these nails are ready for color. Stay tuned for part 2.